In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a two-way sync between Google Calendar and Notion using TwoSync. By the end of this walkthrough, your events and tasks will stay aligned in both tools, so changes you make in one place automatically show up in the other. This is perfect for keeping your schedule and project pages in sync without any manual copying. Start by opening your browser and going to app.twosync.com/automations/new. If you're not signed in yet, you may be prompted to log in. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure pop-ups are allowed, because you'll likely see authorization windows during setup. When the page loads, you'll be on the Automations creation screen, where you can choose from ready-made templates designed for popular app connections. Next, select the option labeled Google Calendar, Two-Way Sync with Notion. That template opens a guided setup. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to connect your Google account and allow calendar permissions so the tool can read and write events. You'll also connect your Notion workspace, giving permission to access the database you want to sync. Expect to select which Google Calendar you want to use and which Notion database should mirror those events. Most setups include basic field mapping, where you confirm how titles, dates, times, and descriptions correspond between Calendar and Notion. If your Notion database includes properties like all day, location, or attendees, map those where available. When you see options for sync direction, keep it set to two-way, so edits in either app stay in lockstep. If there's a time zone setting, confirm it matches your working time zone to avoid off-by-1 hour headaches. Throughout this flow, just continue proceeding with the prompts until you reach the confirmation screen. Once the setup finishes, you're done. The automation will begin syncing according to the rules you just confirmed. The first sync may take a moment if you have a lot of existing events. A quick tip: create a small test event in Google Calendar to confirm it appears in your chosen Notion database. Then tweak the title or date in Notion and watch it update back in Calendar. If something doesn't move, double-check that permissions were granted and that you mapped the date and title fields correctly. You can always return to the Automations page to adjust settings or pause the sync. That's all there is to it. Your Google Calendar and Notion are now keeping each other up to date automatically.